Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of COB LCD module for fueling equipment. First, put the pins of the socket into the holes of the PCB and solder them with tin. Second, attach a long double-side tape on the back of the LED backlights and cut it. Third, remove the release paper of the double-sided tape from the back of LED backlight. Put the hard pins into the holes of the PCB and assemble them together. Fourth, solder the pins of LED backlight with tin. Fifth, remove the protection film from the LCD panel. Insert the LCD panel into the back of the metal frame and attach the protection film to the surface of the metal frame. Sixth, put two conductive rubber strips onto two long edges of the back of the metal frame. Seventh, remove the protection film from the bottom of the LCD screen and protection film from the top of the LED backlight and assemble them together by hand. Eighth, fixate the metal frame. Ninth, quality test and visual inspection. 10th, packing.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.